Whether you are selling products online or you are selling your services, the one thing that all small businesses need more of is clients. But not all websites are created to convert clicks into clients. And today we're going to be breaking down a few things that you can do to improve your website and create more clients and more sales online. In fact, over 80% of small business websites will really struggle with this, to the point that this causes a lot of businesses to actually close down. Now, the best part is that there are some really simple fixes that we can do to make sure that your website isn't one of them. So let's take a look at 3 easy ways that you can make sales on your website. If you are new here, my name is Em Winch and I am the founder of Morris Bear Designs and the creator of the Clicks to Clients method. I help entrepreneurs just like you launch, grow and scale online using website optimization and simple sales funnels to create a life and a business that you are in love with. That sounds like something that you're keen to hear more about. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below to get notified when my next video goes live. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do on our homepage is make sure that you are telling your clients exactly what you can do for them. Ideally, this intro actually addresses 3 critical points in one simple sentence that's easily digestible within 7 seconds. Your hook needs to address what you do, who you do it for, and why they should give a damn. A simple formula to follow here is I do X for X so that they can X. This can be I build website designs for female entrepreneurs who want to spend more time with their family. It gives them a reason to want to know more, and I've targeted exactly who I'm speaking to in the first sentence of my website. This way we can make sure that the right people are hanging around. This is what we call reducing your bounce rate. Now, your bounce rate is a Google term and it is actually really important to making sure that your website ranks really highly. Google will assess the suitability of your website based on how many people bounce back out of your website and go to someone else. Having this information on your homepage allows customers to make an informed decision on whether they stay or go, making sure that the people who are staying and clicking through your website are likely your ideal customers. So that's step 1 of what we need on our website to make it convert more. Okay, so now on to step 2. Now that we've narrowed down our audience with our hook, we want to make sure that they know that we are a real person and that they can trust us. Most clients are wary of buying online. We look for reviews and refund policies and any way to protect ourselves from dodgy dealings on the internet. Now, one way that we can do this is actually to show people that we're real people and build relationships and trust through our website. Trust is a major factor in converting anything online and allowing you to sell to more people. So in this step, we really want to make sure that we are building that trust, building that relationship and showing our potential clients that they can rely on us. A few ways that we can build trust on your website is through testimonials. Any kind of reviews and case studies show that real people have already bought from you. Another great way to do this is by using video. It shows you that I'm real and you can directly see and hear me, allowing my brain to connect with your voice, your face, and really show that personal connection. It's a great way to boost and speed up conversions on your website. Lastly, you also want to have clear and professional images. I know that the minute I invest in a photo shoot that gives me a full branding suite, I step up my game. Not only does it show my clients that I'm professional and trustworthy, but it also gives me the complete confidence boost that I need to keep showing up online. Now, not only do we rely on these relationships and trust, but it's a common statistic that 75% or more of consumers will base their purchase decisions on the trust built on your website. So this is something that you can really, really hone in on. Always be updating, asking your clients for referrals, for testimonials, and building all of these trust factors into your website. So now that we've got an interested client who is well on their way to trusting us completely, we need to make sure that we're moving on to step 3. Now, did you know that it will take an average of 7 interactions with your business to actually make a purchase? So if someone isn't going to buy straight away, what are we even doing here? Well, we need to set up a simple sales funnel to convert and to take the lead on making sure that those customers who are right for us get those 7 interactions and then some to be able to form an informed decision and work with us in the future. We're going to give them an invitation so good that they cannot refuse, and they're then going to invite us into their inbox, giving us access into their email and a direct way to communicate with them, to build that relationship and to really use those interactions. So we're going to set a simple follow-up from this that will then allow us to educate and inspire and allow us to move them forward in that purchasing journey. Now, to create a simple sales funnel is a lot easier than you are thinking right now. Basically, you need 3 things. An offer that your clients cannot refuse because it is targeted directly to the frustrations and the struggle that they're dealing with now. A way to collect and send emails, and this will be the basis of our 7 interactions. We're also going to need to create a follow-up sequence of emails that actually educate, inspire, and move our clients. Now, there are dozens of ways that you can do this, and there are even more tools available. But if you want to learn more about setting up a simple sales funnel for your website, you can check my YouTube playlist for simple sales funnels. It's filled with all of the information that you need to get started. Now, most of my clients look at me in absolute horror at the thought of automating any of this relationship building and kind of feeling like they're detaching from the process. But what we can do is, if you, in this process, actually infuse a lot of your personality, make it real and make a genuine connection. So that can be writing from the perspective of speaking to one of your clients. That's a really good tool that I love to use. But also making sure that you understand and appreciate that when your client is going through this process, they're going to be seeing these. So really think about how you want to come across to your clients throughout this process, and you're going to be able to nail that first go. Honestly, automating this process allows you to step back from the whole client generating process. It allows you to stop posting on social media all the time. It allows you to connect to your customers in a realistic way. It allows you to stop hunting for clients and feeling quite as desperate. And it allows you to automate that so that you can grow this with organic or paid marketing to be able to fill your calendar on demand whenever you need it. It is one of the most important facets in being able to take time away from your business. So there you have it. That's how 3 simple steps to making more sales from your website. If you'd like to take this a step further, I invite you to join my free masterclass, How to Create a Site That Sells Your Services on Demand, over at morrisbear.com/masterclass. Jump on in. It is a free training giving you all of the details and more about how you can sell your service business on demand. Be sure to like, follow, and let me know that this training has worked for you. If that sounds like something that you're keen to hear more about, don't forget. It is one of